Let's give you an idea of the size of this lot. It is a 1/4 acre lot, and we are out here in Water Ridge in Auburndale, which is really nice. This particular lot is going to start right about where this utility is, this light pole, and it's going to be a nice sized lot. It backs up to another lot and has vacant lots on both sides. So you can see where the sign is now. This is about the middle of the lot. You back up a little bit here, and then we're going to go all the way over to this side where you'll be able to see the utility. So your lot approximately goes to over here. So it's a nice sized lot. I can always send you a copy of a survey or a plat if you'd like to see that. So this is really nice out here in Auburndale. You get to I-4 relatively quickly, the Polk County Parkway. Beautiful homes. There is a couple different lakes. There's a Auburndale side along with the Lake Alfred side. And so this is a little bit of a idea of this lot. We're going to show you one more in just a minute, and a little bit more to do with this beautiful gated community. So I'm going to just kind of back up, show you just about the whole size of the lot. So really nice size. For any additional questions, stay tuned below and we are going to fill you in. All right, so this is going to be our other lot. This is on the Lake Alfred side. This is on Snowy Orchard, and you can see the water is right behind us over this way, right across the street from the Auburndale side. And you can see the sports courts are right in back of us, and it's a nice sized lot. Probably starting about on this end right here. Again, we have survey on file to show you specifically. And then it's hard to see the left-hand boundary from here, but just to kind of give you some ideas, it is beautiful out here. They're building one across the street. You can see it's nice and peaceful out here, except a little bit of the hammering. But other than that, it's a beautiful lot. Thanks for dropping by today. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That would be amazing. Hit the notification button too. Whenever I drop more videos like this, you'll get notified to check them out first.